Hey everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're making a super quick and refreshing breakfast that's perfect for those hot summer mornings. It's spicy mango salsa toast. This recipe is full of flavor and comes together in under 5 minutes. Ingredients: 2 slices of bread, your favorite kind, 1 ripe mango diced, 1/4 red onion diced, 1 jalapeno pepper, seeded and diced, optional for extra spice, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, juice from 1 lime, salt to taste, olive oil, 1 avocado, sliced, optional. Instructions: in a bowl, combine the diced mango, red onion, jalapeno, if using, cilantro, and lime juice. Season with salt to taste. Heat a pan with a drizzle of olive oil over medium heat. Toast your bread slices until golden brown and crispy. Once toasted, spread each slice of bread with mashed avocado, if using. Spoon the mango salsa over the avocado or directly onto the toast. Tips: for a creamier salsa, you can add a tablespoon of chopped fresh cucumber to the mix. If you don't have fresh jalapenos, you can use a pinch of cayenne pepper for a bit of heat. This salsa is also delicious served with chips or on top of grilled fish or chicken.